It's a puppy's second big day outside, though. They liking it so far, though. They're coming up to me, wagging their tails. Little red bones. Little white girl with the lime collar. And little blue bones. Of course, Mother Lucy here, too, though. Lucy. Just in case y'all hears, I think here's a little boy right here. Little dark golden boy available still. Of course, Mama came up here and started giving them milk, though. There she goes, though. There she goes. Good girl, Lucy. Lucy, you need to run on, Lucy. You done gave them milk, darling. I'm a bear up there for him. I gotta buy him some new chew toys. I had a bear, though. There's blue daisies right there. A little daisy girl. And there's little blue bones. There's a little blue bones. What you doing now, girl? I was just checking you out, man. Oh, Daisy said. Her male keeps coming up. Where can I find the females at? Okay, this has to be the dark golden girl, man. I bet it does. Yes, now here's a dark golden girl available. Well, I think dark golden girl. One of them's lighter than the other one. Where's the other one? Okay. Now here's my light golden girl. Right here. Don't yell, poopers. I don't yell, poopers. We got a lot of petting and playing to do, poopers. Gotta make sure I'm getting this in. Well, sometimes it's actually hard to play with them and film them at the same time. I'm hoping I'm doing it okay, though. There's that girl, light golden girl again. Needs her home still. I try to go over this every time, though, if I can tell people, though, when people watch the video for the first time, they'll know, though. The rehoming is $900. And I got a little dark golden boy and a light golden, dark golden girl and a lighter golden girl. 3 of them, though. And when you do pick them out, we put collars on them. What you chewing on me for, you Daisy girl? We put collars on them so you can enjoy watching them until y'all take them home. And for $200 deposit, just part of the $900 pricing, though, I'll go ahead and give you the. There's one playing with the stuffed animal already. I'll go ahead and give you the CKC registration paper for your $200 deposit. Go, and then we put a special collar on yours. Oh, look at little blue bones right there. There's a couple of guys, though. Look at there's that little light golden girl, though, checking out the bear. About time we get one of them. She's like the first or second one. Pretty soon they'll play with them a lot, though. Oh, little nice colored girl. Oh, look at there. That little girl's taking a drink of water. Even though it was clean, but they decided to all walk through it. There's a little Daisy girl that came up there. Oh, tinker bits. There's a little cherry girl right there. And what you gonna bark at, little blue bones? Y'all need to go play, guys. Hey, a good looking little Daisy girl. And here's my little dark golden boy I have. The only boy left now. I've been getting a lot of calls about boys. So kind of wondering how much longer we're gonna have him. Yeah. But this Friday the puppies will be 4 weeks old. And March the 14th. March the 14th, there's little red bones. We got picked out, I think, the other day, a couple days ago. Well, puppies, what y'all looking for? I'm not no mama. Little light golden girl, little lime girl. Aww. I don't know about this outdoors yet. They say I'm gonna like it once I be out here for a while. But that a while doesn't happen, though. They didn't stay out here very long day today when I put them outside, though. It was chilly, though. And then they won't be out here too long today, though. I've got to go pick up my grandson later on today. And I'll bring him in before that. He's a cherry girl. Yep, Mama figured out a way to get out, I guess. Red bones. What's Daisy girl doing way over there? Maybe I need to go over there with a bear. Come on, guys. Oh, yeah, peppers. Oh, yeah, peppers. Eventually, when I call that, they'll come running and chasing me really hard. Look at that one came up to say, May. That's a red bones. Oh, listen to the little blue bones over there. Yeah, they're checking out the bear. Look at this little pooper, just finding out about these big outdoors. Oh no, Bonnie came in. No, I knew she'd be the first one inside to play with them. Though. She's a young girl. Oh, Aunt Tammy, no! We're getting a bunch of them in here. Oh gosh. Bonnie, Tammy, no! Ivory, Tammy, and Bonnie girl. No, I don't want to stop the video just yet, though. Usually they're always very gentle with them. And the youngest one remembers her little brothers and sisters when she was just little, though, and she just wants to play with them. Tammy really loves Miss Tammy. I named after my sister. She really loves little cherry girl. Tammy just loves little puppies, though. Adores them. And there's a little lime girl right there. You got somebody way over there. It's either a dark golden girl, probably the girl. I bet it's not too dark. No, it was a boy, I think. What you doing, you boo bones? I just come up and say, yo. You got Tammy gone, Tammy. Shouldn't tease him, little puppy. Tammy, now go on, Tammy. Come on, Tammy, we're having a good play date. Tammy, no, Tammy. Okay, now they're all getting used to it, though. Tammy, no, Tam. Oh, there they go again. They get in that water. They kept walking through it, accidentally running right through it, though. A few of them did. Guys, y'all gonna have some big O out. Don't get in the water. See what I'm talking about? They get in it. Just accidentally got in. It's cold, that puppy says, but I'll be drinking the crap out of it, though. There's two explorers over there. Who was that? I think that's a Daisy girl. That's a little Daisy girl over there. There's a little cherry girl. There's a little cherry girl. Little blue bones. This dog is plumb broke. Don't got no milk. Got a little fart butts over here. Who is that? That's the old red bones over there. And who is you? That's a cherry girl. People are living up to this name. I think that's the light golden girl. Well, I keep making that mistake, though. Here's a light golden girl right here. Lighter golden girl. No, Bonnie, that's not for you. That's for puppies. Don't get no ideals, Bonnie girl. She remembers the swinging chew toys, though. After I bought her, though, I stuck her in here with everybody. Well, these my little daisies. Go on, girl. God. Now we got Whitney in here. Mother snuck out, got out, though, and then she let the gates open. Y'all, can I finish the video first, Whitney? Oh, little blue bones wants to check me out. Little cherry girl over there. What's wrong, Blue Bones? So I don't know what all these doggies are for. If they ain't got no milk, they ain't no good. Well, I guess we better cut it off. There's my little Daisy girl again. Little Cherry's over there. It's drinking the water. Okay, y'all. We need to get these dogs out of here. I don't mind the puppies being outside, but I don't like all these dogs being all over them out here though. Well, let me go get them out though, and I better cut it off. There goes Cherry Girl. There goes Lime Girl. Blue Bones. There's one of my puppies that's available. There's your Red Bones. I hope we didn't leave nobody out. There's one of the dark golden boys, probably the only dark golden boy too, living up to my name, Poopers. There's little Cherry Girl. Alrighty, y'all. I'm Rick with our little loving puppies of Lucy's. Y'all have a blessed and a very wonderful day. Available puppy.